I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must act now. Power the phone off to prevent short circuits, then remove the SIM tray and case so moisture can escape. Blot visible water with a lint-free cloth. Do not press hard or shake because that spreads liquid internally. Next, use low-burst compressed air from about 6-8 cm away to push fluid out of ports. Once done, leave connectors facing down. Make sure to avoid heat sources. Heat can warp components and make problems worse. Once external moisture is reduced, focus on controlled drying and inspection. Place the phone in a sealed container with silica gel packs or desiccant for 24 to 48 hours. This pulls out residual moisture without heat. While drying, inspect lightning port and speaker mesh with a bright light and soft brush. Avoid metal picks. If you see corrosion, gently swab contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free swab to dissolve residue. Make sure to allow alcohol to evaporate fully after drying and cleaning, reinsert the SIM and boot the phone. Go straight to camera and Face ID setup to verify the true depth system. Run the setup twice if prompts appear. If Face ID fails, reset Face ID settings, update iOS and repeat the setup because software can recalibrate sensors. If problems persist, there may be corrosion or a sensor hardware fault. Do not continue DIY board work. Seek professional board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.